Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. So I came on to share a few things with y'all, and one of the first things that I want to share is for the fall, and that is some curtain tiebacks that I think y'all would like for the fall. Now I purchased these last year. Last year I purchased 2 sets. Now, I don't think I ever showed y'all these. I may have, but okay, it's thundering. It's thundering, y'all. Okay. So I think I did show y'all these. So these are the curtain tiebacks. I think these are really cute. Perfect for the fall and all year around. I think when I use these, because you can use your curtain tiebacks in different ways. You can use them on your curtain panels, of course. And sometimes, y'all, I like to use my curtain tiebacks on my towels, you know, just for decoration. You know, so you can use them for your bathroom towels, you know, just for decorative purposes. And you can use them for your kitchen towels, just for decoration. But these are it. So this is one set, and they're really reasonable with the price, you know. And this is the other set. Now I will post these in the description box. If I'm not mistaken, if I remember, I think they do come in silver. I want to say bronze, because I don't know why, like a lot of them do come in that bronze color, but I am thinking about ordering the silver pair. But these are really nice. They're not thin or anything like that. So you got the stretch. So I want to show you how they would look on the curtain panels. And also I have some wallflowers. If y'all been watching me, I talked about the wallflowers that I got from Ross. So I showed that recently also. But I want to hang the wallflowers in my entryway, and I want to do a floral arrangement, just a quick floral arrangement for my dining room. I'm gonna put it on the shelf over here in the corner just to see how that would look also. But first, y'all, yeah, so I'm gonna show you how these will look once you tie them around your curtain panels. Okay, so here's how it looks. See, these are cute. I think I'm gonna leave mine like this, y'all. I'm gonna leave it like this. So that looks good. This is what I was talking about when I said upwards, you know, but you could put it any direction that you want to. And being that I have another set, let me show y'all something else that you can do with curtain tiebacks. Not just these ones, but just, you know, just any kind of curtain tiebacks. Okay, so if you have a throw blanket, this is just an idea. You know, you can, this one's pretty thick. It's an idea, y'all. Just an idea. Tie it like that if you want. You know, do something like this. I think that's cute. I'm not going to leave it on here, but it'll be cute if you like lay it across a bench or something like that, you know, where it can be seen, something like that. Any kind of tieback. Now this one is small. Okay. You see, y'all get the gist of it. Now I have the other tiebacks that you could use for a throw blanket. Let me show y'all that. Yeah, I was talking about one like this, you know. Now my throw blanket is a little too thick for that, so you will have to get. I have a thin one, but you know, like you will have to get a really thin throw blanket. That one that's plush like this, because it may be too much, you know. But like I said, y'all get the idea, and I think it'll be really cute if you lay it across your bench, something like that. Like this is too thick. Let me see. Yeah, this is too thick. You have to get one of the thin ones. Get you a thin throw blanket. I wish I had a bench so y'all could, you know. Okay, but y'all get the idea. And then you would fix it how you want to fix it. All right, so here it is. So that's how they look. I know I have the light switch at the bottom, so the flowers are kind of, well, it's not that bad, you know, just touching the top of the light switch, but other than that, this is it. So I really, yeah, I like the way they look for my entryway. All right, so I have some random leftover florals and stuff, so I do need to restock on some things, but these two bouquets are from Home Goods, so I did haul these. So these are really really cute. So I have two bouquets, so this is what I'm gonna use in this vase. I'm gonna put them in here. This is a light gold. This is also from Home Goods. And like I said, y'all, this is just some florals, some greenery that I've had, and I'm going to reuse it. So we'll see what I can come up with. I want to do two because this one, I'm not sure if I want to put it for my centerpiece on my dining table or put it over there on that shelf. So I'm not sure yet. I do plan on putting a tablecloth, you know, to cover up this black. So yeah, but for now, what I'm gonna do is put the bouquets in this vase.
Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not without the pain. Well, color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? Treasure buried deeper with each loss, so filled with grief and catastrophic thoughts, insecurity, distorted flaws. It all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it. So I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain. Will it make sense without the pain? Well, color me blue, tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? I know there's so much trauma, but try search inside my love.
All right, so that is it, and yeah, that's it. Now I still have my curtain panel up here. It's different from the rest of the panels, but I just haven't got around to taking it down. So yeah, but I like the way it turned out. I end up putting the big arrangement on the dining table. I like that better, and just put the two small ones on each side. So that is it. That completes the end of my video, and I will see y'all next time. Thank you for watching.